everyone, it's Tiara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a beauty sponge and it is by the brand Revered Artistry. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's a Singaporean brand and they kindly sent over their sponge, which is called the Plush Sponge, over for me to try. And this video is not sponsored or they didn't pay me to do this video. I'm just really doing a first impression review and demo on it to show you guys to see whether it works or not. This retails for $9.90 if I'm not wrong. So this is the Plush Sponge. It comes in a very nice turquoise shade. What it looks like. It's the usual teardrop shape, but it has like a slant. This is before I've wet it. And so this is how the Real Techniques and the Revered Artistry Plush Sponge looks like side by side when it's not damp. And this is the Beauty Blender, so I'm just going to show you guys side by side. Again, both of these are not damp, they are still dry. The Plush Sponge is actually wider and slightly bigger than the Beauty Blender when it's dry, and unlike the Beauty Blender, it has like a slant as well. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet this sponge and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks like when it's all puffed up. Alright, so I'm back and I've wet the Plush Sponge and it has definitely grown in size. So this is just to show you guys how it looks like, right? So this is the dry Beauty Blender and this is the Plush Sponge when I've dampened it. And it is so soft, like can you see this? It's actually really like what the name suggests, it's actually quite plush. Like it is very plush and fluffy. Okay, so now that I've wet the sponge and you've seen how soft and fluffy and plushy and how much it has grown, I'm just gonna scoot you guys closer and I'm gonna prep my skin and I'm gonna apply my foundation and my concealer and we're gonna see how this Plush Sponge works. Alright, so now that you're much closer to my face, let's just start doing this. I'm gonna prep my skin with, I can't decide. I'm gonna go with the Benefit Professional. Okay, and for today's foundation of the day, okay, I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. I've not used this in a very long time. Okay, I'm gonna dot it on like half my face first and blend it out. Oh, I forgot how thick this is. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the Plush Sponge and blend my foundation out. Oh, okay. Okay, I do have to say that it's very soft. I've tried like other makeup sponges that when you kind of pounce it on your skin or on your face, it's really hard and it kind of hurts, but this one is really soft. I'm actually really liking it. In terms of like whether or not it sucks up product, I think it's not so bad. I mean, you can see that it does pick up quite a fair bit of product, but for me that's actually quite normal with sponges. They tend to do that and I think that's their job because they're supposed to suck up the excess product so that you don't look like too cakey. Alright, so this is one half of my face done, blended out using the Plush Sponge, and I really like it a lot. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit of product with the tip of the sponge here and I'm just gonna see. Oh, okay. Oh, it's actually really good. Okay. Oh, wow. Guys. Oh guys, this is like good stuff. And okay, so right, this sponge is it says that it has a unique sliced teardrop shape and it's latex free. So for those of you who might have sensitivities to latex, or if you're concerned about like what your sponges are made out of, this is latex free. It's designed in Singapore, and like what I just did just now, this side is meant for blending under the eyes and the sides of the nose, while the round side, which is this one that I used earlier, can be used for fast and streak-free application. And I'm gonna say right now that buy it, it's really good. Just gonna blend it out a little bit more. When I look up close in the mirror, there's no streakiness, there's no like stamp, like from me stamping the foundation, the sponge on my skin. And I feel that the coverage is pretty decent. It's the kind of coverage that I like. Next up, since we're gonna play with cream stuff, I'm gonna do my concealer as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna use the backside again. Look at how fast that blended out. Okay, now I'm gonna switch it to this side. Oh my god! And like that, I'm done with my foundation, guys. I'm super impressed with this. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup, my eyes and everything, and I'm gonna be right back to wrap up the video. In short, my final thoughts are buy it because it's amazing and it's affordable. It's only $9.90. It's literally 3 times cheaper than a regular beauty blender, which is amazing because beauty blenders are like $32, and I feel that it does the exact same thing. So if you are looking for a beauty sponge and if you are looking for a beauty sponge and you don't want to spend that amount of money on one, like $32, this is something that you can consider because it's so affordable. And the base of the sponge is wide enough that I blend my foundation and my cream products faster because it takes up more like surface area space, and when I want to blend out the area around my nose or under my eyes, I just use this part and it actually blends it like as well as if I were to use the base of the sponge. And again, it doesn't hurt my face, it's not hard at all. I highly recommend it. I would tell you to buy it, so go and buy it. I will leave the Instagram link down below for Revered Artistry so that you can go and check them out. It's so good, like so good. So that's the end of my review and demo of the Plush Sponge by Revered Artistry. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video.